I'm Kim, I'm from Edinburgh.
I'm Uli, I'm also from Edinburgh.
Bastian from Germany.
And Natalie, also from Germany.
I am Nele, Belgium.
And I'm Dries, also from Belgium. And yeah, we're here with Slow Tours to make a bike trip.
Noi qui a Montecatini abbiamo messo in rete a sistema l'offerta cicloturistica che c'è sul nostro territorio, che è ampia e vasta. Il nostro territorio che si può visitare in bicicletta sia con la mountain bike sia con la bicicletta da corsa. Abbiamo tante belle cose da vedere e alberghi che hanno le condizioni di poter ospitare i ciclisti con tutti i comfort del caso.
Well, we're really excited and hoping for good weather and having fun on the bikes.
Monte Carlo is a little jewel because it's a very small town, very nice, and it is famous today for the wine.
I'll follow you to visit the theater. Vi porterò a vedere il teatro dei rassicurati. And this theater is the second smallest theater in Europe. The first you find in Budapest.
We had a little branch with the red wine of Monte Carlo.
Andiamo sempre. Torniamo 3 kg in più a casa.
Prosit! Prosit!
Let's go! Cannot even put it in one picture. It's too big.
It's a very important tree because it is called the witch's oak because the legends tells us that on this tree during the Middle Age witches danced on the branches, and so the branches are now parallel to the ground, as you can see. It is around 600 years old, second oldest tree in Tuscany. It is famous because inside the novel of Pinocchio, this is the tree where Pinocchio was hanged by the assassin.
But a little bit exhausting. But good.
I'm not a trained mountain biker, but I managed. I think it's a wonderful route.
Oh, that was interesting.
First one was hilly enough with 18%. It was quite a climb.
Have there been any hills? I haven't noticed this.
We have to give you more wine to slow you down.
This part is named Il Castello,
okay.
the castle. In the highest part of the village of San Gennaro, this is a very famous and important church because it is the older church of San Gennaro, but this is important because inside we have a statue of Leonardo da Vinci.
Ready for the next hill. We have to have more hills.
Lodi is mainly Pinocchio's homeland, because the author of Pinocchio, Carlo Lorenzini, chose to call himself Carlo Collodi from the name of this place, which was the birthplace of his mother.
We're going to the butterfly garden, so we can stand between the butterflies and enjoy the colors. I think it will be great.
Now we go to the Via della Fiaba. The Via della Fiaba starts in this place and go around the Parco di Villa Garzoni.
Now we are at the end of the Via della Fiaba, the fairy tales road that connects Pescia to the Collodi, the park of Pinocchio, the Villa Garzoni. Via della Fiaba is a very interesting and very beautiful road because you can cross the typical Tuscany landscape.
Was a great trip, and now we're going to the spa.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Alle Terme di Montecatini c'è la possibilità di usufruire di tutti i trattamenti classici terapeutici termali e la possibilità di passare delle ore in rilassamento alla piscina termale e usufruire di tutti i trattamenti e massaggi benessere olistici che mirano a riequilibrare in modo naturale e termale la persona, lavorando sull'aspetto sia fisico che energetico.